What's up, YouTube? Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Robbie Barry Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm doing a quick birthday design, and yeah, as usual, I want to put you guys through the process of how I'm going to go through the whole work and stuff. So yeah, I have a few resources here. Today I'm not going to show you the resource, yes, because I mean it's not always that I'm going to show you stuff. So today I'm doing a quick work, and yeah. So without further talks, without further blah blah blahs, intro. Okay, welcome back, guys. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, I have this background, like an image. It's loading. Hold your horses. It's loading. So yeah, it's like an image of a club or a party concert. I don't know. This is how it looks. Just a second. Yes, this is how it looks. Something very nice. Okay, yeah, it's more like a concert. Yeah. So I got this image from unsplash.com, and I don't know why you guys are sleeping on unsplash.com, Charlie. Unsplash is loaded with images and it's all free. So okay, I just scaled the image up to the workspace to fill the whole workspace like this, and I'm going to hit on enter. I've already done it, so I'm shit. Okay, so for this I'm going for like a black background, something deep, something very mild but then deep. So yeah, I'll just head into my gradient map, make sure the gradient map is selected, and select something like this, a black and white. But then this time around we're going to make the black and white more black, like this type of black, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this type of black is good. So I just created a new color point in the middle, and I changed the color to like ash. So yeah, I mean ash is cool. Then click on OK. So afterwards, let's lock the background because I bet it here later on. Then we're going to create a new rectangle on top of the whole thing. You understand? Yeah, something very simple. So black rectangle, reduce the opacity to like 48. Yeah, British people like 48, 52, or 72. Yeah, 72 is right. So let me just quit this fucking ass. Okay, so lock the rectangle, and now the next thing we're going to do is go in for colors. So this time around, I don't know, I already have this color selected. I'm not going to use it. Let me just go in for, no, I was about to say red, but I've been doing a lot of reds. So let me just choose something different, more like red. Yes, I'm still choosing my red. Nobody can tell me nothing. Okay, so now I'm just going to create some basic shapes down here. So first, let me just select my ellipse, create a quick ellipse down here, something like this. Yeah, very quick, very dope. Then I'm going to duplicate the ellipse, scale it up more like this, and drag it under the first ellipse. Let me just change the color so you guys can see what we're doing here. You see, we have the small ellipse down here. We've created a bigger one here. Cool. So I'm going to change the fill details to nothing, then the stroke details to something, to fill actually. So yeah, right now we have a different set. So I'm just going to open it up. I'm scaling the whole rectangle up, as in the stroke width, to make it as big as possible. You understand? Okay, let me just change the color so you guys can see what is going on around these parts. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now this is what we have, and I created a stroke, and the stroke is as big as somebody's head. God damn it. So yeah, after doing this, let's move on to the next thing, and the next thing to do is just bring in the images or something. But before that, I have this noisy gray glittered textured background that mostly I use. I'm just going to add it to the background, the whole thing that we did just now, to add like an effect to the whole work. And I mean it's dope. It's really dope. So yeah, rotate it to 90 degrees clockwise, scale it up to fill the whole bloody workspace. Click on enter. Wait for it to load because my machine is damn slow. Cool. Now set this guy to like screen or something. Wait, what's the screen? Yeah, I don't really know. But what is same? It's one of these guys. I don't really know who it was. Was it multiply? God damn it. Okay, let's just go in for one of these guys. I think multiply will do. And then we're going to reduce the opacity a little bit. So when we zoom into the ellipse right here, you see we have the noisy details in the ellipse, and it's also in the background, but you see the background is black, so we're not going to see anything. Let us lock this guy up. Now let's bring in the image. So yeah, the image is going to be under the ellipse that we created. You understand? We want the images to be under the ellipse. So let me just drag the first image that I have here, and I'm pretty sure you guys know this. You know this guy. Yeah, I was about to say something. I'm not supposed to say this. Yes, you all know this. Yeah, this guy he's the one celebrating his birthday, and I decided to do something for him. So yeah, this is the yes. Okay. So after bringing the image in, the image is going to be behind the ellipse real quick. Then we're going to create a new layer on top of the image under the ellipse. Select the brush, select black, then brush briefly under. Wait, this one we created a new layer. There's another way of doing this, so let me just do this and show you the other way. Yeah, because this tutorial is packed with tips and tricks. So just brush over the image like so. It is applying, you don't really see it, but it's there. Then Control Alt J to clip the thing we just did into the image, something like this. So now we have this, you understand? But there's another way to do this, and that is by creating a hue saturation, then clipping it into the image. Then afterwards you're just going to drag the lightness back like this, so it's going to work with the whole image, you understand? Then instead of like brushing somewhere, you're just going to click Ctrl I to invert, and after inverting you just select your brush. So now we're going to select the white brush inside. So the white brush makes whatever you want to do appear, and the black brush makes it disappear. So now we're just going to use the white to brush briefly down here, and it's mostly the same as the first effect that we did, you understand? Yes, very dope, very nice, very cool. You can't do nothing about it. It's too sweet. Now let us move on, and the next thing to do is let's color grade this, guys. I always want to call this guy a motherfucker, but seriously, I do not. Why am I even saying this? YouTube might ban this video, seriously. So yeah, hue or saturation, then just into the image. Now colorize and select one of the colors, like a color that is dope, a color that you can do away with. So for me, I'm just going to go with this light, is it red or light orange, something like that. Yes. Then afterwards what's going to be done? Okay, yeah, we're going to do a Control I. That's a quick Control I. Select our brush again, and this time around we're going to brush on the left side. I'm pretty sure you all know this because I've already taught this in our previous videos that we did. Yeah, so if you've forgotten about this one, then guy, I don't know where you've been at. So we're going to do the same thing for the right side. It's like the effect is not showing. Okay, yeah, if you zoom in you can see the effect is showing now. Yeah, but at first it wasn't really showing. So yeah, after doing this, mostly when you use the hue and saturation, you can change the colors back to whatever you want to do. So you can just make it very, like saturated like this. You can reduce it to that. You can do whatever you want with it. So in this part, let me just select the brush, click on X, then clean the aspects where I think is overdone or something like that. Yeah, something like this. Then I don't really love the color, so let's enter back into the properties and swipe through all the colors. So yeah, I'm going to go with this color because it is dope. Yes. So now that we're done with this, I forgot to do my signature color grade, and that is by making the image pop. Okay, so I duplicated one of the images clipped into the original image. So I'm just going to head into camera raw filter. That is where we're going to make the image pop, 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 pop. So yeah, just a second. Okay, so we have camera raw here, and I have this effect called intense dramatic portrait. That's my signature color grade. So after selecting it, there's nothing that I have to do, so just click on OK, and the image is just going to load into the original one. Yeah, and yeah, okay, so now the image is in, and look at how deep it looks. It's too deep, So we're just going to reduce the opacity. I've been doing this like for a long time, and you guys already know. I'm not sure the next time I'm going to go through this again. So yeah, now we have the image here, a very nice image. So now let's get to the text real quick. And the text, I'm just going to write or type in +1. This dog, Charlie, Obi Pekramaya Tong can't tell me why I say of this dog. Anytime I want to do tutorial, it don't stress me up, but all the same we move. So I'm just going to select the text tool and type in something real quick. We're going to type in like how do you call it, a +1. Yeah, that's what I said. So I have this font here. Stretch. I'm going to use Stretch to do the. Excuse me, guys. Today I'm feeling all sorts of way. So yeah, let's just type in +1. So +1, like so. Scale it up. Click enter. Yeah, and the main reason why it's looking this color is because it's behind the rectangle. So let me just bring it on top of the rectangle. Yeah, now we have a white type of thing. Yeah, so +1 is supposed to be very big. You know something, let me just make the plus separate from the 1. Yeah, in a more spaced manner like this. So the plus is going to be somewhere to the left, like so. Then duplicate the 1 at the plus and just type in 1. So now we have +1 as big as the old tree. No, as big as the old tree. Yeah, something like this. So I'm just going to select both of them and I don't know, try and reduce the size a little bit. Yeah, nice. But my problem right now is it is really distracting the black background that I created, and I do really love the black background that I created. So you know what, I'm just going to reduce the size for the 1 because it doesn't have to be this big. Just have like this and we're good to go. Okay, so now what else do we have to do? Yeah, we're going to brush under the 1 to make sure it is blending at the background. So create a new layer on top of the 1 and the plus right here. Select your brush, make sure you're selected to the black, and just brush over it like this. In this case, we are doing like we are making sure this brush is working for 2 layers right here, so we can do a hue and saturation effect on this. So let's just something like this to invert to feather right under the text, and we're good to go. Okay, noise. Yeah, that's what people will say, noise. My people will say noise because it looks nice. So now let's just bring in the dude's name, and he's called Ken Brian the mop. God damn it, I'm giving myself a whole lot of work. I'd have to take out the mop. YouTube might bind this bloody video. So yeah, Ken Brian is the name, and the font I'm using now is called no, I'm not going to tell you guys because I've already done a video on it. So if you want to see, go watch my video, the one that says 6 fonts you need for your designs in 2022 part 1 and 2. You gotta watch it, like seriously, you guys need to watch it. So yeah, Ken Brian, and I'm going to duplicate the Ken and just type in a +1 real quick because I don't want to waste the space. So yeah, +1. Then I'm going to change the color for the +1 because we want that to be a little bit different. So one of the colors from here, and make sure you're in the lighter part. Thank you. Then just drag the Ken somewhere here. But I don't know, the color looks more like a ladylike color. I don't know, like my dude is a dude. He's a straight up all the same. Hey, let me just shut up. Yeah, so +1 Ken Brian, and I don't even know if I should give him like a message or something. Like, I'm really tired of giving people own birthday message. If you bring your work for me to do, I mean, just bring your own damn message, like, oh, happy birthday to me, may God bless me, may God blah blah blah, all these things. You understand? I am not really. Yeah, I just changed the numbers back there to one of the deep colors because why not? I mean, yeah. So after doing this, I'm going to create a new layer on top of the one because I want to make sure like it's not a full color, it's more like a gradient. So yeah, why not make it a gradient? So yeah, FX gradient overlay. So we're going to choose the same color, but this time around it's going to have like a white on top of it. So yeah, after this let's just invert. So where's the reverse? Yeah, this is the reverse. So we just reversed, and now it's reversed. So the deeper color is going to be like this, way up high. Yeah. Oh yeah. And now the same color, but then it's going to be in a lighter proportion, something like this. Yeah, we're good to go. So we're going to duplicate, as in right click, copy layer style, and just paste it on the plus also. So now we have the effect working for these two guys. Nice. So let me type in a real quick birthday message for this guy, and what am I even going to say? No, you know something, I did another work for him. Yeah, lucky him, I did 2 works last year. That's what I did, and this year I'm doing 2 works. He's a really lucky son of a Ghana. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So don't get weirded out by growing older. Our age is actually the number of years the earth has been enjoying us. May God bless you. More grace and more love to you, bro. Enjoy today. As simple as ABC. So let me just change the font to the same thing. Yes, let's just use the same font, but in a lighter proportion. Click enter, and we're good to go. So at this point, I really don't know what to add to this again, except some few touches, and I don't want the video to be as long as Zack Snyder's Justice League. Yeah, that 4-hour movie. I don't want the video to be as long as that movie. So I'm going to cut things short here and add my own stuffs. I'm pretty sure you got some tips and tricks here. Yeah. So my name's Travis Bright Jones. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share to your fellow graphic designers. Let them know Audio Creative Studio has a new video out. Yeah. And yeah. So graphic design contest is about to kick off. That is episode 11, season 3. Yeah, very soon. I'm pretty sure you guys are really pumped for this. And the masterclass is also in works. Yeah, it's also in works. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.